guys! Welcome back to Glitter and Nom Nom. I am Annette if you are new here. Today it is 1,000,000 degrees in my beauty room. I'm gonna be filming another part of my declutter series. And today we're decluttering rings. I'm gonna try to change this angle. Let's get right into it. Alright, that's better. So here I have my box of rings. All these out here. And of course, these aren't my nice rings. These are just like my more costumey cocktail rings, that kind of thing. The majority of these I like never wear anymore. Let's just start pulling and pick out some stuff. This is a little knot ring. I don't even know some of these. If I have a finger they fit on, gonna say no. This one, that is the only finger that fits on. Nope. Now, I'm going to be trying these on individually, but I think some of these, like this one, are part of like a set. But basically, if I can't find a finger that it will fit on, there we go. This is my keep box, by the way. And then this is going to be my not so keep box. I think this goes with, yeah. This one is just so freaking dramatic and Beyonce that this ain't going anywhere. I think this fits like all of my fingers. Like I got this one, I think, with this one. Oh my god, look at this. Look at these. Is that not, like, where the hell do you even wear this? Keep it. Everyday functions. I hate this ring. What do we got? What is this? What is this? I like that. Like, I'm never gonna wear that. Not wearing that. This one, I automatically know I'm not gonna be able to wear that. This one I know fits, and it's part of a set, and there's like 10 of these, I think. This one's too big. Oh, that's pretty. I think this one's also part of a set. Oh, this one, if you guys watched my earring declutter, I think this ring came with that. There was 2 sets of earrings that had this kind of opal-like stone in them. And the earrings were crap. They were like falling out, and this one kind of is shifting. But I'm not gonna lie, it's really pretty, and I'm keeping it. Whoa! Hello! Look at that. What are you? Oh, I think my bestie... This is the ring I think my bestie got me. This one fits. And this is gorgeous. And I can tell you is an automatic. Nope. Okay, I do like these. Not so much to wear all the time because I feel a little claustrophobic on my fingers. But these I find are really pretty for nail pictures. This one's cute, but will it fit is the question. My pinky. I don't like pinky rings, okay? No. That's my smallest finger. This is my smallest finger and it won't even fit somewhere. Ah! This finger. Oh, that's so pretty. This I know does not fit me, but is that not cute? I think the only time I wore this was when I did a set of Ariel nails, like Little Mermaid nails, because I thought that it looked like waves. Ugh, okay, yeah, no. You, I believe, are also part of another set, a different set. Butterfly. This is très cute, but will it fit? Yes! I love butterflies, because you catch butterflies with a net. Oh my god, okay, this is like a phone dangle thingy. I don't know why this is in there. Ew, well that's nice. I have real rings that are much nicer than that, so I'm gonna... And this I think is the last piece to that puzzle. This is the last one. Focus. Oh, no, okay. It just won't. This is the last one of that stacking set. This is another really tarnished one, so that's toast. Another knot. This one's too gold, like just plain gold. I don't like it. And this one I got from a really cheap version of Charmed Aroma. Like, it wasn't Charmed Aroma. And when I say cheap, I don't mean like not expensive cheap, because it was a very expensive candle that my mom got me for Christmas. And it was the most disappointing candle. She got herself some and she was also super disappointed in it. Oh, and it's missing gems. I'm gonna put this one in this pile. So this is what I'm left with, and some really actually pretty cocktail rings. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. It was a little shorter than my earrings, but another thing I got through. Oh my god. If you are enjoying this series, don't worry, I still got lots of stuff to declutter. You have no idea what's coming your way, guys, okay? Okay? So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying these jewelry declutters. I can't feel my foot, so I'm gonna stand up now. We will see you in the next video.